So we're doing a collaboration with the Artisa Gallery and the Turco Sta Possible organization. We're going to perform a circus show tonight in the streets of San Nicolas. So our project, we're traveling a circus show by sailboat to try to do a worldwide performance in a more sustainable way. Unfortunately for our Aruba performance, this is the only open show. We also do some shows in Kia and in some schools, like in the EPB school here in San Nicolas. Well, so far we've performed in Spain, so in Mallorca, in the Canaries Islands, also in Italy, in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, now in Aruba, next in Curacao, and then in Colombia, and the list will go on. Right now, we're 5 artists in the show, but we're also collaborating with one local dancer and a local environmentalist that we integrate in the performance. So this is part of our project. We always try to involve local artists in our performance.